Hey guys, there are a lot of bike cleaning products on the market, but cleaning the parts on the bike isn't always easy. Some dirt just doesn't come off with cleaning and brushing and scraping. You need a lot of rinsing with water to get the dirt out, and it's messy, hard work. Modern parts cleaners, on the other hand, use water-based solvents containing enzymes kept at a constant 40 degrees Celsius and continually recycled through a series of filters that clean the fluid and organically break down the dirt and the grease safely, leaving your bike parts sparklingly clean.